Hey folks, how you doing? Today we're going to do a YouTube. Hey, we're going to go down in history today, y'all. This ain't no kidding. I got a Dewalt power station behind me, 3600 watt peak, 1800 watts. The portable power station was designed for circular saws, slide saws, compound miter saws, compound miter slide saws, skill saws, drills, quarter drills, this and that. Basically everything that has brushes in it, it'll run. It'll run the living snot out of them. It's an awesome tool. Number one, there's a few new companies out there, Ego and I think Milwaukee and a bunch of other ones are coming out with their version of the portable power station. But a lot of people's beef and problems with the portable power station Dewalt is the modified sine wave, which, hey, I've seen videos on YouTube. There's one guy, I'm not sure his name, but he lays tile, and super good dude. He has his camper, he's running his microwave, this and that, and his Xbox and his air conditioning. No problems whatsoever. But there is that chance, that little itty bitty chance, or a big chance, that you could burn up your control boards. Anything that has a control board in it, for example, like refrigerators, anything digital or microwaves, they got control boards on them, like as I'm gonna say, like, your control board, computer boards, chip boards, that type of stuff. So we got the perfect solution that's gonna fix all that, okay? So I'm gonna go back here, I'm gonna charge these batteries up right here. Get them peak charge, put my CNI glasses on. Okay. Make sure they're always close. Alright, charge those batteries up. But while we're waiting, this is the solution, y'all. I know this is 1800 watt continuous, but this is what we got to fix that, y'all. It's a Tripp-Lite line conditioner. It's a LC 1800. LC 1800. And you're saying, well, why do I have to buy that? And this and that. Well, it's made for audio equipment, computers, anything you need, the cleanest, purest power you can get. And most of everything you buy nowadays is not solid state. It is the big stuff. So you got a power outage, you want to run your refrigerator, microwave, or that kind of stuff, you might want to get the 2400 watt. I just got the 1800 watt because mostly I'm running as like a wall unit, air conditioner. That is got control boards in it. It's digital, so you just don't want to take a chance of. Why you want to burn up a $300 air conditioner when you can buy this? This was $108. I got on eBay, brand new, and they cover. It's got like a 2-year warranty, and they cover $25,000 in damages for life if something goes wrong while using this device. So hey, I'm like, what the hey? And I saw it online where it was a trucker forum. The guy said, I got that problem solved out with this audio equipment and this and that, and microwaves, and they put a line conditioner on there. And this will take any dirty power, like modified sine wave is like a dirty power, and clean it up to like pure sine wave. Pure sine wave, like most of your inverters are. So if you got a modified sine wave inverter, like a regular one for your solar or your backup power or whatever, or even if you got a regular type of generator, like the alternator type, put one of these on it. And it's got, I'm gonna unbox it and all that good stuff while the Dewalt charge is charging up. It's almost done. Got one battery on it, but I'm gonna unbox it to show you what it's all about. All right. We got one battery right here, still charging. These are Dewalt Flex Volt 9 amp hour batteries. Okay, 9 amp hour batteries. It's like I think the only biggest one you can get besides that is a 12 amp hour, and it's the same size as this. But this is what you want if you're in a power outage situation. I got the 5 amp hour, 2.5 amp hour, but the FlexVolt seems to be the deal. I mean, I've seen people run refrigerators without this device. A lot of your old refrigerators, and they run for 2 days on 4 of those. I mean, that's awesome. Let me plug it back in. Listen, something else too, y'all. That has a right angle plug on that Tripp-Lite. This is a 15 amp to 20 amp plug, UL approved, ETL, all that good stuff. But you want to buy one of these. I'll put a link below on my video description, because what it is, the plug sits flat on the Dewalt power station, so you need this to stick out a little bit where you plug in your line conditioner. All right. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, folks, you see where that's flat? Right here. And of course, you turn your power on right there for your inverter. But you want to stick this in here where it sticks out a little bit. Okay? And that's not going to hurt a thing. You know, if you know what I'm saying. And something else too. All right, we'll get to the box opening now. But yeah, you want to make sure that's installed. Okay, just tips and tricks to help you out. All right. Okay, as you see here, the batteries are all charged. All the lights are solid. Didn't take long. Well, I keep them ready in case for a power outage, or if I need to use a tool, quarter tool somewhere. But you know, it's an awesome machine. I got it for $199 from CPO Outlets. I bought one from CPO Outlets, and I got one from Home Depot. It was like maybe $249 or $199 with the coupon, but now they're like jumped up in price. They're like $399 on up there, but this thing is rock solid. It's tough. I love it. But let's check it out. All right, I'll unbox this Tripp-Lite condition, this deal, and my phone's going off. No biggie. We're gonna go ahead and let me see here. I'm gonna put this thing on silent. Okay. In fact, I'll put it in another room. But yeah, y'all bear with me. Yeah, folks, y'all, that power station is the bomb. Just doing some stuff right here. I'll just cut the phone off for now, because I got some ring things on there that might be copyright. But anyway, let's get back to business. All right, our line conditioner right here. We're gonna move you over here a little bit, and it's a Tripp-Lite line conditioner. All right, so we're gonna unbox it. My videos are simple, stupid, folks. I'm not gonna BS you or give you any stuff, but I've heard so many complaints over the years about, oh, it's not pure sine wave and this and that, blah blah blah. But I'm just saying out of the box. I mean, but hey, I mean, you can't beat this power station. But I'm sure they're gonna have a version 2 one of these days. But this is gonna solve the problem. You're like, well, why should I pay $108 or $139? But hey, it's your equipment. I mean, you can do what you want. But I'm gonna have my computers and all that kind of stuff hooked up. I mean, I got solar power, but this is a backup for a backup. You always have a backup for a backup. All right. And this is still, with batteries and all that, it's still cheaper than a gasoline generator. Okay. They got that thing glued. Oh, yeah. And y'all, this thing weighs about Man, so it weighs close to 7 or 8 pounds. It's not light. There's a transformer inside here and capacitors. It's almost like a whole nother inverter on its own. But all right. Computer grade power keeps computers, electronics working safely during brownouts and overvoltages. This line conditioner accepts the widest range of incoming voltage and adjusts just to computer grade power. That's what we want. Because everything now has got boards and, like I said, electronics, all that kind of stuff. So you just want to be safe. On the safe side. And I got two. A backup for a backup. I believe that. In the Marine Corps, PM, preventive maintenance. You always have a backup for a backup. If you ain't got one magazine, if you go in a firefight, you don't want to have just one magazine. You want to have at least 2 or 3 magazines for backup. Just saying. Or canteens. You don't want one canteen for water for drinking. You want 2 canteens. Same thing. Or if you go offshore fishing, it's better to have 1 engine or 2 engines. Well, the engines out there are reliable today, but myself, I'd rather have 2 engines. If one breaks down, you got another one to carry home. That is my thoughts completely. But people in California right now, don't have any power because of the fires and dry conditions. I think that's the reason why these babies and everybody's got power outages, ice storms, and everything in the area. And today is November 21st. And hey, supply and demand, things go up. It's a shame this world's like that, but y'all, this thing is a beefy. I mean, it's heavy. It's rock solid. You got plenty of air vents all the way around on it. Tripp-Lite. You got your default lights, all that good stuff on there. Sorry about that. Smacked me. But yeah, and here's your plugs and everything on this side. Here, let's go ahead and unwrap it. This is your manual. I'll show you that. But I'm going to show you what this thing will do. And you can probably see, yeah, I can hook my air conditioner up to it on a hot 10 degree heat index Virginia day in the summer, or you just had a hurricane and live in Florida or South Carolina, Georgia, Louisiana, Texas. But I'm going to say something cool about this. This is what I'm telling you about the right angle plug. Okay, right here. That is why you need that little extension, the 15 to 20 amp NEMA thing. That's why you need an extension. But look at this, folks. You can turn your one Dewalt, one outlet to 6. Isn't that cool? 1 to 6. All right. And it's got all your stuff on here. This says 12 amp continuous, right here, 12 amp continuous, and 15 amp non-continuous. This unit is rated at 12 amps / 1500 watts, continuous and continuous at 1500 watts. So it'll run most microwaves. And 15 amps, 1800 watts, non-continuous. 15 amp is the best pull capacity of a standard 15 amp circuit. For best results, we advise this unit be only the equipment plugged into the circuit. If you're not sure what is on the circuit, consult your electrician. Okay? Wise advice. They're covering the rear ends. All right. Okay, let me take this power cord off of here. This puppy is going to get used. In my solar shed, I have an iota charger, which will just get used in a case of a blackout. And my iota charger will be charging my batteries at night, and this will act as a generator instead of plugging my gas generator up. So that's why I got this. Well, I got 2 of them. Okay. first of all, let's get this box out of the way. Okay, manual. Okay. Like I say, it's got air vents through this thing everywhere. If you look down inside there, you can see the transformer, capacitors, the whole 9 yards. This thing's heavy. Heavy duty plastic. It's got these specs right back here. Safety, labels and stuff. All right, let's read you a little bit about the manual first. I know you're probably like, man, it's a long, drawn out video. That's the way my videos are. They're long and drawn out. All right. You got a registration card here. Let's see here. Let's see what that says. Just for kicks and giggles. Much in Spanish. And French. I can't read it. I can't read it. I can't read either one. But anyway, oh, here you go. Register your product online. And online free chance to win a free Tripp-Lite product. Only takes a minute. So that's good to go. And then on the back, it's got all kinds of stuff. Okay, line conditioner, important safety instructions. Always recommend you read the manual. It's got an input breaker on here. Right there, that symbol. AC receptacles and the power. Warranty product registration. 10 days of purchase. So I'll definitely be putting both these on warranty today. All right, let's unplug the Dewalt charger, okay? So here we go here. We'll unplug that. Okay, so that's uncharged. Unplugged. Smack me. All right. Okay. This, let me get you over here. Okay. Here we are. Straighten this power cord out. Best we can. Okay. That cord right there is just for to charge it up right here. Okay. And this is why we needed the right angle plug. Okay, now we'll see the lights come on. All the fancy stuff. Okay. And plug it in first. That's why you need a 15 to 20 amp plug. Perfect fit. Okay, we're gonna turn on our inverter for the Dewalt power station. Okay, she's on. Okay, this is not on yet, so we'll have to go back here and find the power button. Power button's right here. It's on, and it's showing right now the red lights. Line fault, low temperature. There's nothing plugged into it. Let's plug something into it. Okay, line fault, line family. Okay, it says no line hooked to it right now. Okay. Let's go hook our air conditioner up to it, all right? How about that? It's the only way to find out, see if it's working or not, okay? We're gonna blow up our $400, 8,000 BTU air conditioner. Frigidaire, how about that? All right, be right there. Okay, folks, we're back. And here is our, on top of my gun safe, It makes a little bit of noise, a little bit of humming, but it's saying very low, line fault, and the light's coming on very. We're going to plug our air conditioning to the back. We'll take it out of the surge protector. Okay. Like I say, this got your test button, all those, and this is digital all the way right here, if you see that. Okay, plug it in. Okay, it's plugged in. Alright, now can y'all still see the lights? I might plug in a different cord. Hold up. I got tons of Dewalt batteries up here. Alright, here we go. Okay, I'll see the lights. Okay, this is ready to crank up. Alright, we're turning on. I mean, it's November. Let's see the lights. On. Okay. We're running our air conditioner. No problems. Let's turn on cool. Fan speed, let's go auto. Okay, compressor's cut on. Okay, you don't even hear the Dewalt running right now. But very low. Let's see what that means, okay? Let me get the manual. So y'all watch it run while I go get the manual. Excuse me. And down here, we have the Dewalt running. See that? Okay, let's see what these lights mean. But the compressor's running. It's running. Hey, so far so good. Okay, let's see what the lights mean. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay. There we go. Got these lights. She's cool. Goes down to 60. And this is all digital. Okay, here comes the compressor. That's like 800 watts, 600, 800 watts. That's humming away. Okay, LED lights. Okay, indicator lights. Indicator lights. All right. Green, normal. Line conditioner is plugged in and is receiving the nominal AC line voltage. Yellow, low, or boost, and high or trim. Incoming voltage is above is below nominal AC line voltage. Red, very high or very low. Incoming voltage is substantially or above or below nominal AC line voltage. Okay. Green light, okay. We got a green light down there. Red line fault. That's this line fault there. Let's cut her off. Okay, we'll turn her off. cut her back on. Inverter still on. That was the inverter. Low. We'll just cut it off to see what's, play around a little bit. Yellow. Low or boost and high or trim. Incoming voltage is above, below normal AC line voltage. Alright, we'll cut her on. No problems. No problems. This is going to protect everything you got. I mean, without putting this other testers on it, y'all, I can tell you it's working. It's working fine. Pressure's running, this and that. Well, it's working. It's not smoking or anything like that. I mean, if it works, this is protecting your line, everything coming in the air. Okay, pressure just cut on. The fan for the inverter hadn't even cut on yet. Okay, let's back you up and let you see what's going on here. But, alright, let's back you up here. So you can see the whole setup. Go back a little more. But there you go, there's the inverter. The Dewalt power station. Here's the line control, the line conditioner right here, and you can see the red light is barely on, green light's barely on, but it's running. If there's something wrong, this thing would not run. Okay. And it's guaranteed for up to $25,000 on running your stuff. All right. So you see it running, and look, you got your remote control here. So temperature, let's go up. That's what I mean by everything is digitally processed. You need a line conditioner in there if it's a modified sine wave, or a dirty power generator, like a 5500 watt with the axial type alternator on it. If it's not an inverter generator, you need to have a good line conditioner. Audio equipment, LED TVs, the whole 9 yards. That's all got control boards in it. Even this little remote's got control boards in it. Okay, I can set it to cool, energy saver, that's eco mode, and we'll go to cool, cool. All right, that's the middle button right here, cool. Okay, so hey, everything's working good. I'm impressed. All right. Now, if I plug it straight to modified sine wave, then yeah, I'd be a little worried. All right, let's wrap this video up. You can tell me what your thoughts and what you think about it. But here it is again. I'll show you some more of it here in 1 second. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. This is a close-up, y'all. You can hear it humming. That's the transformer and the transformer and the things behind it. Cleaning the power up for the modified sine wave for the DCB1800. Okay, on the back of this, we're going to let you see the back of how it's plugged in right now. You got an on-off button. You got 6 outlets, and it's just humming. Line conditioner, and here's the on-off button right here. on-off button right here, and there's the fuse, or the circuit breaker. In case something happens, bam. If there's something wrong, it wouldn't be operating the condition this air conditioner at all. But like I say, we're running off Dewalt 1800. Let's turn on the air conditioner. Hey, sounds good. No faults in the lights. It says very high, and this is line fault, but it's cleaning the power up. So it's doing a good job, y'all. Now we're going to do another test. Plug my LED TV in. We can do that. Okay, let's unplug that. Hold tight. Okay, folks, here's another test that we're going to do. We're going to run all our components here. This is our router, cable box, TV, DVD players, the whole weather station, David's weather station, the whole 9 yards. All right, and it's connected to the Tripp-Lite LC line conditioner 1800, and we're going to turn the inverter on the Dewalt, and we're at full power right there. Okay, all batteries. Okay, we're on. Okay, we're going to turn this on. There we go. Okay, we got power. Okay, the computer light just came on where I'm editing the video. Hey, it's clean power. Let me see here. If it wasn't, it wouldn't be, that computer would be running right now. And we got protected, non-grounded, not grounded, so all the lights are on, everything's good to go. For the conditioner, for the surge protection device. We're gonna wait for that to load up. Everyone see what we can watch. All right. I'm gonna turn the TV on. So it's just another test. And the cable is loading up. Okay, so I'll take a minute. But here are the lights on there, they're on the red. That means it's doing its job. And very little humming. As you can hear. And let me show you something cool. Right here, we're waiting for everything to load up. I'm gonna show you the
California. Well, a nice end.
Okay, yeah, we got the weather channel
54 degrees, but
going on there.
I know you people who like snow out there and like to
Just look at this transformer in here.
Temperatures chilling down into the
Okay.
30s, and snow can be expected by the afternoon.
Now look at that.
Tuesday, continuing to Wednesday and Thursday as well.
Transformer.
Lots of wet conditions once again as our coast-to-coast storms just keep on coming on in, Chris.
And does that make you long?
And the capacitors, all that
in
stuff.
summer? Okay, new question. You ever been?
It weighs about 7 pounds.
I've been by
Maybe closer to 10.
I've never been in Wrigley Field.
It's one of the neat sports.
Anyway, folks, look how clear that picture is.
It's called
Iconic for sure.
It's iconic. It's Wrigleyville. So here's this is essentially
So we're running the whole 9 yards.
Here. And you have these buildings that are across the street. and you go up to the top and on the rooftop.
Well, I'm not running the
bleachers.
heater
Did you know that?
on this one right now.
I didn't know.
Just
You can see that stuff, like these
just
big
electrical
ones, like
components.
bleachers. I think they charge now, and it's like for corporate events and stuff.
Okay,
But yeah,
let me
you're
turn this TV
across
off.
the street watching-
Thank you, Weather
Plug
Channel.
that in.
Kind of a neat deal.
All right.
But we're looking
Love
at
the
you,
Weather Channel,
just
y'all.
because we're ready for baseball
I'll
season to
cut that
begin.
off. But I got my speakers up there. My speakers, the whole 9 yards. Like I say, the cable box, the router, Wi-Fi, all that stuff, and DVD player, and all that good stuff, and a computer. So it's running all that from the line on the Tripp-Lite LC1800 line conditioner. Line stabilizer conditioner LC1800. And that's what you want to run, folks. Everything's got circuitry in it. Even the Davis Weather Station's got multiple boards on it. Your routers, your TV, your DVD player, your Blu-ray player, all that does. All right, we're gonna. Well, I just wanted to show you all that. It's working great. So, proof's in the pudding. All right, folks. This is another test right here. We got the inverter. We got the heater. A heater, 1500 watt heater. This is kind of not a cool test. I mean, it's a cool test, but it's plugged into the line inverter. I mean, it can run off -5 sine wave. There's really no control boards on the heater. All right. Let's just see what it'll do. We'll turn the inverter on. Y'all, and we are still at full capacity on the batteries. All 3 bars on every battery. Let's turn this on. Right here. Okay. That just sometimes it just does that. Let's see what happens. You got the fan. Okay, it cleared itself up. That's just the fan right now. Here's low heat. That's about 800 watts. Okay, now we're going to go to high. Then we got high heat. And that's 1500 watts. Now the inverter fan is cutting on now. Now the juice is starting to leave the batteries. And this is holding up good. The line inverter is holding up good. Oh, we're not going to push her a lot. So we'll go back to low. That's 800 watts on low. And that's just clean power. Okay, we'll cut it off. Okay, the fan's not running in the inverter anymore, but you want to hear it? Okay, let's turn it on. And this draws a little bit of power. Let's see how much it draws. Folks, I got the specifications. Had to go to the Tripp-Lite website. Okay, supports 120 volt, 1800 watt, 15 amp intermittent loads, and up to 1,440 watts at 12 amp continuous output. I think I just probably told you that earlier in the video. Ideal for computers, routers, modems, printers, home theater components, and point of sale equipment. Connects up to 6 electronic devices to the rear NEMA 515R outlet, 7-foot cord with NEMA 5-15P right angle plug for easy connection in tight spaces. Compact unit, 7 inches in high, fits comfortable into your computer or home theater setup. Automatic voltage regulation, AC line suppression, 1,440 joules of network grade surge suppression protects against potentially harmful power surges, EMI, RFI, line noise filtering, built-in diagnostics, front panel. It's just a whole lot. I'll give you a link to this website also, so you can check out and see if it's right for you. But right now, as you see, it's still running. The Dewalt power station is still running. The line inverter is still running. In fact, I'm just going to cut that off. But hold on, let me show you this website. It's Tripp-Lite right here. Tripp-Lite. Let me see that. And it's showing you the LC1800. That's what it is, LC1800. I'll put a link below. In my cord, everything I have in this video will be, except for the heater and my other components, but it's a 8,000 BTU Frigidaire, you know. I'm gonna cut this off. Cut it back on. It'll do that for a minute until it finds the power that it needs. So there it goes. So just give you lights of what's going on with the modified sine wave. Y'all can see that. Yellow light. So it's not the cleanest power in the world, modified sine wave. So that's one reason why you want to have that on there if you're running computers or certain type of equipment. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to get my ugly face in there, but all right. So we're gonna cut it off. Let me show you the power we're getting. Let me show you a little more about this. Here, let's go freehanding, y'all. Let's take a dare. Okay. I'm about ready to wrap this video up. Sorry for the wobbleness and everything, but I'm gonna show you. That's how much noise this makes. I think you can hear it. There's all the outlets. Okay, I read it off the back. Okay. It's got all the 12-amp condenser. I read it off from the back earlier for y'all. Right here. Okay, sorry about that, folks. Then you got 6 outlets, on-off switch right here. On-off switch, and then the breaker. That white right there is plugged into the inverter, the Dewalt power station with the 15 to 20 amp plug. That's the way it has room, because if we did it this other way, you couldn't get it in there. This would be in the way. That's why I got that there. Okay, let's cut this off right here, power it off. Right there, it's powered off. Now we can turn the inverter off. Here's the power we got left on the batteries. And this video has been about an hour long. 2 bars, 2 bars. And these are 9 amp hour batteries, flex volt, 60 volt batteries. We'll turn the inverter off. Here we go. Yeah, but this is the Dewalt portable power station and parallel battery charger. 3600 watt peak and 1800 watt continuous. Well, like I say, it's designed mainly for saws, drills, hammer drills, that kind of stuff, you know. But if you're going to run refrigerators or in this newer type of stuff and you got a power outage, run this, y'all. Run a Tripp-Lite LC1800 or 2400. The 1800 is really all you need for this type of inverter. Power station, that is. Okay? All right, let's wrap this video up. Okay, folks, we're going to wrap this video up. Behind me is a Dewalt power station. DCB1800, the Dewalt power station. Dewalt power station. and your Tripp-Lite LC 1800 line conditioner. If you're gonna run computers, air conditioners, anything with a control board in it, which 99% of everything does nowadays, even radios. All right, put that on there. All right, put that line conditioner on there. Be safe. All right, and for $108, $140, or 100 if you get it for 180, which you just shop around eBay or Amazon. All right, hey, I thank you a lot for everything. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think. God bless and Semper Fi. Please subscribe. Hoorah. Hit that like button, that bell button. We get her on now. I don't do as much videos as I used to, but I keep them going. And I try to keep it real. All right now. Take it easy, folks. Bye-bye. Semper Fi.